Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna take a look at the OnePlus 60. So I'm using the McLaren edition. However, both this and the regular 60 has just a few differences, which we'll point out as we go along. Of course, let's start with the design of this device. The OnePlus 60 design is very sleek, yet feels solid in the hand. Its glass back is a bit slippery, bear that in mind, but overall the device feels premium. This McLaren edition looks absolutely stunning with its orange accents and carbon fiber design under the glass back. Subtle but classy. Now, even though it has the glass back, there's no wireless charging here unfortunately. The screen has been a huge improvement over the OnePlus 6. It rocks a 6.41 inch 1080 by 2340 optic AMOLED display that's sharp and colors look great on this display. At this point, it's hard to tell if it's even a full 2K display. So yeah, it's more than excellent. And of course, I really like the design of that teardrop notch. On the topic of its screen, we have the fingerprint scanner under the display. Being its first iteration on the OnePlus 60, its speed is good. Not as fast as a regular scanner, but it gets the job done. There's one drawback, however. When it's used, the entire display gets super bright. It can be a bit annoying if you constantly use it at night time. The OnePlus 60 rocks a 3700 mAh battery, which is quite impressive. Coupled with its dash charging or warp charging that's on the McLaren edition of the 60. What's the difference with the warp charging, you may ask? Man, it's just super fast. This McLaren edition charges 0 to 100 in about an hour.
Impressive. Most impressive.
OnePlus said it can charge up to 50% in 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Battery life in general is great. I sometimes get between 5 to 7 hours of screen on time. Should we even talk about performance? I mean, come on guys, the slogan says it all. No doubt here, even on the McLaren edition that has a whopping 10 gigs of RAM, and with Oxygen OS on board, there's no slowing down here. And what about the camera as well? It's the same sensors found on the OnePlus 6. However, OnePlus has done some software improvements, and I find myself enjoying this camera. Of course, it may not be Pixel 3 quality, but it comes pretty close. Great dynamic range, colors and details. They have also included a nightscape for better low light shots. Portrait shots are good as well. Video can be recorded up to 4K 60 and stabilized up to 4K 30 frames per second. Overall, excellent camera. Overall, I'm impressed by this device. Its overall performance on a day-to-day basis is just enjoyable to use. It may not have an official IP rating, no wireless charging, and the camera may not be pixel quality, but it's still a great device, even for its price point. For what it offers, I highly recommend anyone to jump on the OnePlus train, because it seems they will be doing some great things for quite a long time to come. So that's it there folks. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more. See you in the next one. Bless.